Welcome back now, crew. Welcome back. So if you guys don't remember this set, this is Muff's old set. I will leave a link to it in the description box because those were just so fun and easy and the video was short and to the point. So I will leave a link to that video in the description box. So as you can tell, she really did not need a fill, but she did break one. So she sat down for me to fix it. And when I was fixing it, I said, you know what? Oh, I just want to do something else. Let's just start over. So I ended up filing all of the nails off and voila, it's a new set. It's a new set. What can I say? Well, at least I have a new video for you guys, right? So I filed off the old set, but as always, I do leave a little bit of the old gel. Most of the time I do that to just protect the nail plate. If I don't have to file all the way down to the naked nail plate, then I usually don't do that, all right? Now it's time to apply the nail tip. This is the fun part because it's so easy. So you watch me prep the nail, prime the nail, apply the base coat, right? So the nails are fully prepped and ready to receive. There's a beautiful Gel X nail tip. So let me give you a close up. Yes, that is just so satisfying to watch. Then I'm going to take my MANICURE lamp and hold it in place. Just a good 10 seconds. Now I hold that in place for 10 seconds, right? I go ahead and I do all the nails the exact same way. Once they've all been set in place for 10 seconds, I stick it in the large lamp and cure all of them together for a full 60 seconds. Once that's done, we are going to remove the shine from the nail plate. If you don't remove the shine, then whatever you apply on top of the nails will slide right off. It doesn't matter if it's acrylic, polygel, gel polish, it'll peel right off. So make sure you remove the shine. So I have an arbor band and I think my drill is on a speed of maybe like 2 or 3, something really, really low. And I'm just removing the shine so that I can go on top with acrylic. Now let me tell you guys something that I found out with these Gel X nail tips. I don't know if you guys have had the same issues. Comment below and let me know. But every time I use the Gel X nail tips and do not encapsulate them with either hard gel, polygel, or acrylic, the gel tips themselves break down. So after about 2 or 3 weeks of being worn, they just start to flake apart. They literally just start to flake. They separate from the nail. They kind of like become squishy. It's really weird. It's really weird, but they flake apart and it's just weird. I don't know how else to describe it, but it has happened several times when I do not encapsulate it. Another thing I noticed with them, now this was brought to my attention by Diana, but at the corner of your nails where the stress area would be, she says she noticed when she does not encapsulate her Gel X nail tips that they start to chip away kind of where the stress area of the nail is, making it more apt to break. And so perhaps that's what happened with Muff, and that's why she had that pointer finger broken. And when I went to file away some of the other colors, I noticed that under the gel polish, the nails were starting to like crack. It was just so weird. It's never happened to me before with any other brands of nail tips. But again, this is my first brand of gel nail tips. All of the nail tips that I have used thus far are plastic. So if you guys like the idea of the Gel X nail tips, you like this idea, please click on the AliExpress link down in my description box. That's where I'm getting all my nail tips from now. I think I have about 10 bags, maybe even more. And I might end up going back and buying some more because I saw other styles. But anyway, AliExpress vendors claim that it's the same as the Gel X ones, but I doubt it. I really do think that they're plastic. And with that being said, the plastic ones might actually work out better if the gel tends to break down over time. So anyway, that's my soapbox. That's my spiel. I'm trying to save you guys some money. Basically, in a long story, all I was trying to say was, if you don't have the money to spend on the Gel X nail tips, the APRES, I wouldn't. They're $35 and I don't think they're worth it when you could go to AliExpress and get nail tips for $5 and they're stronger and they don't break down if you don't encapsulate it. That's it. Moving on. So as you can tell, I encapsulated the gel today with the base coat. So the same base coat that I used to apply the nail tips is the same one that I used to encapsulate the gel nail tip. You could use any base coat that you have, that you feel comfortable with, but the one that I was using today is from the Gel Bottle Ink. Another really good base coat, guys, is Diana's base coat. That base coat is nice and thick and creamy. Another one, and I hate to say this, another really good base coat is from Nail Couture. You guys know I don't really care for Max, but his base coat is really good. So that's another really good one. Sparkle & Co, guys. Sparkle & Co has a really good base coat. Check them out. And I also have a coupon code to them. So I'll leave a link to Diana and Sparkle & Co in my description box. Check out those companies. All right, so we talked about the Gel X nail tips. We talked about base coats. Now let's talk about the polish that I'm using, okay? So the white is from Princess Nails by Diana. So if you guys are on her website to search for that base coat that I was talking about, you can click on over to the white as well, because this is a really good consistency white polish. So the white is from her, and then the purple in the pot is from Model Ones. So I will leave a link. The color is number 20. I will leave a link to Model Ones and Diana in my description box. The polish in a pot, let me just tell you guys, it's so thick. It is so thick. All you need is a little bit goes a long way. And I think that creamy polishes in a pot like this is better for nail art. If you're doing some sort of nail art, because you could put it on the nail and it'll stay where you put it until you move it around. But this just happened to be the perfect color for what Muff wanted today. So even though it's not the greatest consistency to brush on, the color is gorgeous. She really wanted this color. She actually picked out her entire design. So I really had no say in the design today. She told me what she wanted, where she wanted it, the colors and everything. So today was an easy day. Today I sat down. I said, you know what, let's do a new set. She said, okay. And here we are. You know what Muff says, it's okay. She gives me the thumbs up to do her nails. I jump on it because Muff will tell me I could do her nails this week. Then in another 2 weeks, I say, let's do your nails. And she's like, nope, I never want to wear nails again. Like, I'm like, what? Where did we go wrong? We just had a good time. What do you mean? That would break my heart if one day she was like, you know what? I just never want my nails done again. I'm like, what? Who are you? Who are you? Oh my gosh, it's so funny because so many of you guys can relate. You guys would tell me in the comments like, oh yeah, I have a daughter. She is just like Muff, like outside barefoot one minute, wearing nails the next. Like, you guys would literally tell me your daughter is just like her. Or that you guys have a sister plain polish. I'm not the only one with the sister plain polish. So when I read those comments, you guys, I literally just start cracking up. And I always screenshot them. Like, if you send me a message about my sister, 9 out of 10, I screenshot it and send it to her. Like, look, your name is legit Sister Plain Polish. Like, that's you now. That is your identity. I'm going to make her a t-shirt. Yo, I'm going to make her a t-shirt. Oh my God. I'm going to make her a t-shirt. That is my weekend plans. You guys, that's my weekend plans. I'm making her a t-shirt. It's going to say Nail Crew on one side, and it's going to say Sister Plain Polish on the other side. Oh, that is going to be so lit. She better wear it too. Ayana, if you're watching, know that you have a t-shirt coming. Perhaps even a hoodie. Maybe even a hat as well. Okay, Ayana, if you're watching, you have apparel coming. Know that, okay? And you better wear it too. Your favorite color is purple. I got you. All right. So moving on to the bling portion of the video. Normally, guys, I get here and I say, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to wing the bling and blah, blah, blah. But not today, darlings. Not today. Today, I knew exactly what I was doing. You know why? Because Muff picked out her design. I did not have to wing anything. She told me what, where, when, how, what, who, what, all of that. All the W's and the H. She told me all of that for the nails today. So there's no wing the bling. I was like, oh, it feels so good to know what you're doing when you sit down to do nails. And I hardly ever have this feeling because I'm so indecisive. Like every nail, I think about it as I'm doing it, right? So while I'm on the pointer, as I'm nearing the end of the pointer, I'm thinking about what I'm going to do for the next nail and so on and so forth. But I know that there are some nail techs that know the entire design, all 10 fingers, before the client even sits down. I'm just not there yet, okay? I'm not there yet. And I don't think I ever will be, because I'm that indecisive. Like, I will plan a nail design out to the T, and then I will sit to do it, and I will change it as I go. So that's just my life, y'all. That's my life. So anyway, I think so far the nails are gorgeous, but Muff just had to have some Dior stickers. So I applied the iGel Beauty Transfer Foil Gel, cure that in the lamp for about 60 seconds. And now I'm just going to plop on the Dior stickers. So easy as 1, 2, 3. And these stickers just really jazz up any set. Like, come on. This went from a plain old purple and white set to a purple and white va-va-voom set. Okay? Because you got Dior. You got Dior, and if you're like me, if you're a Pop Smoke fan, you are singing. You're singing. Let me play a little clip. Let me play a little clip right now. Christian Dior, Dior. I'm up in all the stores. All right, you hear that? Okay, so every time I see the Dior stickers or hear Dior, like, you just literally have to think of Pop Smoke, and that's all I'm thinking of right now. So I hope that it's in your head as well, and now that's all you guys are thinking of as well. All right, so stickers have been applied, and now I am using the Princess Nails by Diana Topcoat, and I'm just going to apply that to every nail except the nail with the pixie crystals, because if you apply Topcoat to the pixie crystals, they won't catch the light, and let's just be honest here, they're going to be ugly. That's just the truth. All right, guys, so top coat has been applied. We're going to then pop her in the oven. You know I got to sing it, right? You know I got to sing it. Pop her in the oven. Pop her in the oven. Pop her in the oven. I let her bake, bake, bake. Bake, bake, bake. All right, so while that's baking in the oven, let's give a hey girl, hey to Kelly. Hey Kelly, thank you so much for the birthday wish. I had a great birthday, and actually thank you to everybody who has wished me happy birthday. You guys sent me good energy and good vibes, and I had a great birthday week. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Maybe during like a story time, I'll tell you about some of the fun things that I got into over my birthday. If you guys want to hear that, let me know, because you know your girl was lit. Oh my gosh, you guys, yeah. Another day, another video. But I had a good birthday, so thank y'all so much. Hey Kelly, everybody drop a hey Kelly down in the comment section so she knows it's real. All right, this is what the nails look like. Absolutely gorgeous. Shout out to Muffin for picking this design. I love it. I love you guys so much. See you tomorrow. Bye.